Hello, my smart friends. Welcome back to Vibe with Comfort. And today we're learning something that affects everyone children, teenagers, and adults too. Have you ever felt sleepy or weak after eating, or maybe hungry again soon after a big meal? But that's your body reacting to something called a glucose spike. Let's find out what that means and how to stop it so you can have steady energy. First, let's understand glucose. Glucose is just another name for sugar. It's the main fuel your body uses for energy. Think of it like petrol for a car. When we eat food like rice, bread, fruits, or even sweets, our stomach breaks them into glucose. That glucose goes into the blood and travels around the body, giving energy to every cell, especially the brain and muscles. Now, after you eat, it's normal for your blood sugar to rise a little, but when it rises too fast or too high, that's what we call a glucose spike. Let's imagine your blood sugar level is like a seesaw. When it goes up high and very high and suddenly drops, that drops make you feel tired, sleepy, or grumpy. For example, if you drink a bottle of soda on an empty stomach, your blood sugar shoots up quickly then drops again. That's how you might feel sleepy in class after break or even crave more snacks later. When the spikes happen many times a day, the body has to work extra hard. Your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin to help. But if this keeps happening too often, the body becomes tired and less sensitive to insulin. That's how insulin resistance starts. Over time, too many glucose spikes can cause constant tiredness and lack of focus. That is constant fatigue and brain fog, weight gain, acne and cravings for junk food, and later in life problems like diabetes and heart diseases. So it's important to learn how to keep your blood sugar steady. Here are the main reasons why we get glucose spikes. Eating too many refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, cake, and sugary snacks. Drinking sugary drinks, soda, juice, energy drinks. Eating only carbohydrates like having plain noodles without eggs and vegetables. Eating too fast or skipping meals. Not moving after meals, sitting down after eating. Yes, that causes it too. Lack of sleep and stress. When you're stressed or tired, your body makes more sugar for energy. But the good news is we can fix all this with few smart habits. One, eat your food in the right order. Start with vegetables or salad. They have fiber, which slows down how sugar enters the blood. Then eat protein and healthy fats like fish, eggs, and beans. Eat your rice or bread last. This small change makes a big difference. Two, add a little vinegar before meals. A tablespoon of vinegar in a glass of water can help reduce glucose spikes. It slows down how fast your food turns into sugar or sprinkle it on salad. Three, move after eating. Try walking for 10 to 15 minutes. Movement helps your muscle use up the glucose in your blood so it doesn't stay too high. 4. Combine your food wisely. Don't eat carbs alone. When you mix carbs with protein or healthy fats, glucose enters your blood more slowly. Example, bread plus eggs, fruits plus nuts. Let's use a real life example. For example, rice and stew. Instead of eating your rice first, start with a few spoons of vegetables or salad, then eat your fish or beans. After that, enjoy your rice last and take a short walk after eating. That's how you keep your glucose in balance, simple and natural. 5. Avoid sugary drinks on an empty stomach. Always drink water first. If you take juice or soda without food, your blood sugar jumps up too fast. 6. Get enough sleep and stay calm. When you're always worried, your body produces cortisol, a stress hormone that raises blood sugar. So sleep 7 to 8 hours, take deep breaths, relax, and laugh more. To manage glucose spikes, remember these three words: order, eat, fiber, proteins, then carbs, movement, walk after meals, balance, sleep well, drink water, and stay calm. These small changes can make a huge difference to how you feel every day. Your body is an amazing creation. It's designed for balance, not extremes. Every time you choose vegetables before rice, take a short walk, or drink water instead of soda, you're taking care of yourself. So remember, good health starts with small choices done every day. Stay curious, stay active, and stay blessed. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Vibe with Comfort. Together, we are learning how to live healthy, happy, and wise. Bye.